What is up, everybody? It is Ben with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 2003 Honda Shadow, the VLX 600. We're going to take a quick walk around this thing so you can see up close and personal and see exactly what's going on with this particular bike. I'm going to start here in the back, get the rear tire. Plenty of life left on that tire. I'm calling that like 60 or 65%, so that's good to go. Got your license plate mount, tail light, turn signal. You guys know the drill. If you're watching this bike or watching this video, I'm assuming you're interested probably in this particular bike. So I'm going to point out some things. I want to find some flaws and some things that you would want to know if you were going to buy this bike. Starting on this rear fender, we got some light white specks here. Don't know what those are. Actually, they kind of come off with my fingernail. I don't want to do anything too crazy, but this paint in the back here is a little bit on the faded side. It's almost like it's discolored, like it was wiped down with a substance that was a little too abrasive for this particular piece. It's not terrible, but I wanted to make sure that you knew that. Here on the side of the fender, this side of the fender looks pretty good. Paint looks good. Happy with that. There's a light chip here on this turn signal. I want you to see that. The exhaust is looking good. Looks just to be the factory exhaust, but it looks like it's in nice shape. I don't see any major scratches. I don't see any dents or anything like that. There's a little mark right there, my pointer finger, that I want to point out, but again, not a big one. Got your passenger peg there. Got the VLX on the side cover. Here on the side of the tank, you see the Shadow and the Honda emblem. Got a little scratch up here on the top of the tank, and a little bit of light discoloration in there. I'm gonna point that out. The motor's in nice shape. The bike runs really well. It's not leaking anything, not doing anything crazy like that. Show you the motor there. Got your rider peg, got your rear brake. Jump up here to the front. With the fork tubes. The fork tubes are looking to be in really nice shape, especially for being in 2003. And I got like hardly any marks anywhere. I got no rust on those fork tubes. A little bit of rust starting here on the wheel, and a little bit of rust starting here on this piece and then there, but not on the actual fork tubes themselves. And the fork tubes, this side is also looking about the same. A little bit more of some pitting down here on this one, not terrible. There's your single disc front brake. Here in the front fender, a little bit of some gnarly scratching in there. You can see that showing through. There's some scratches going back and some line scratches going back in here, so you can see all that. There's your front tire. Front tire is good to go. A lot of life left on that. Show you that front wheel from this side. Jump over to the side of the tank here. See that? Oops, sorry about that. There is a scratch right there, my pointer finger. This bike is carbureted, so there's your choke. There's your fuel petcock valve. Again, we can see the motor from this side. All that's looking good. Go down here, we got the rider peg, got the shifter. Again, you got the VLX on the side cover there. Got the kickstand down. There's your passenger peg. It's got the helmet lock here and the little frame if you want to put those little aftermarket side bags on. This bike is chain driven. You can see that there. Up over, you can see this passenger seat's in nice shape. Same thing with the rider seat. No tears or marks anywhere. Here on this tank, you got some light scratching there. Already pointed that out. There's your fuel cap, clutch, handlebars, get your controls, got your mirror here, got your throttle, brake, controls, mirror. Here's your gauge. 16,895 miles. There'll be a few more than that after the test drive. Make sure you check out the test drive on YouTube if you are interested in this bike. Let's fire this thing up. That is that. Let's make sure the turn signals work. Put the turn signal on this side. Turn signal on this side. Jump back in the back. There There you go. Same thing on that side. All right, guys, like I said, this is a 2003 Honda Shadow VLX 600. Thanks so much for watching, and don't miss out on this bike.